Hello viewers, welcome to Kotlin tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe about a Kotlin operator. So what is operator? Operator are special symbols, character that carry out operation on operand, variable and values. For example, class is a operator that perform addition. Java variable is article. You learn the declare variable, assign variable. Now we will learn use operator perform various operation them. So here is the different operator. The class is operator. This addition also is the string concatenation. Minus is a subtraction operator. Star is a multiplication operator. Slash is a division operator, and percentage is a modulus operator. So now I will show the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators. Suppose at first we will take two value. Number 1 equal to 12.5 and val number 2 equal to 3.5, and then we will take variable for result. Result is double. We will assign the result two number addition in result variable. Suppose number 1 plus number 2. So number 1 number 2 value, we will set the result variable. We will find the variable now. Number 1 plus number 2 equal to result. So now we will see the result. Number 1 number 2 addition number 1 and number 2, and then set to it a result variable. Then we will find the result. Here is the number 1 plus number 2 equal to 16. Is the 12.5 and 3.5 equal to 16. Now we will see the subtraction. Result equal to number 1 minus number 2. Print number 1 minus number 2 equal to result. Now we will see the result of subtraction. So here is the subtraction. Number 1 minus number 2 equal to 9.0. Here is the 12.5 minus 3.5 equal to 9.0. Here is the subtraction. Now we will see the multiplication. Result equal to number 1 into number 2. Print number 1 into number 2 equal to result. Now we will see the result of number 1 number 2 multiplication. Here is the showing the 43.75. Now we will see the division. Result equal to number 1 number 2 find number 1 division number 2 equal to result. Here the showing 3.5 number 1 division number 2. Now we'll see the modulus operator result number 1 percent number 2. So what will be output? Println number 1 modulus number 2 equal to result. This result now we'll execute the project. Thus showing the number 1 modulus number 2 equal to 2.0. Now I will show the string concatenation. The flash operator is also used for concatenation of string. String string concatenation. Suppose there is a start equal to talk is sheep well middle equal to show me the code well and Linus turbulence. Here is the theory variable. Now we will concate the theory variable. That is result start plus middle plus end. This showing already assigned this result variable. Here we can result string. Okay. Now we will find the result string for theory string concatenation. And my concatenation into result string. Now we will see the string concatenation start middle end, then we concatenation the flash operator by flash operator, and then this concatenation result is set to the result string variable. Then finally find the result string variable. So here is the showing my concatenation talk is sheep, and then show me the code, the second and third is the Linus turbulence with the theory string concatenation. Now we will see the assignment operator. Assignment operator. Assignment operator use the assign value to variable We have already used simple assignment operator before. Suppose val is age and here is the 5. Here is the assignment operator, equal to operator. The 5 is assigned to the variable age using equal operator. Now I will show the comparison and equality operator. Comparison and equality operator. Comparison and equality operator. Here, this is the greater than sign. Suppose A greater than B. This is the less than operator. Example is A less than B, and this is the greater than equal to operator. Example is A greater than equal to B. This is the less than or equal to operator. Example is A less than equal B. B, and this is the equal to operator. Equal to operator was A equal to B. This is the not equal to operator. Here is the example of A not equal to B. Suppose comparison operator. Example val A equal to minus 12 and val B equal to 12. So val max equal to if A greater than B, then print the print ln A is larger than B and B is larger than A. Finally, we print the max equal to max. So here is the we will check the comparison operator. Here A is equal to minus 12 and B is equal to 12. As the max equal to if A less than is greater than equal to B, then A is larger than B will print. If else B is larger than A. So now we will run our project. So here is the string B is larger than A, because A is minus 12, B is 12, so B is larger. There are also the some logical operator, logical operator. There are two logical operator. Two logical operator. One is this is the AND logical operator. To logical or logical operator and the OR logical operator, and this is the uh, AND logical operator. Thank you so much.